4 seconds. The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Wharton County in southeastern Texas, Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, Northwestern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, Southwestern Liberty County in southeastern Texas, Southeastern Waller County in southeastern Texas, Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6 p.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Willowbrook to near Addicks Park 10 to near Cinco Ranch to near Wharton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Northwestern Pasadena, Pearland, Sugar Land, Northwestern Baytown, Missouri City, Deer Park, Rosenberg, Stafford, South Houston, Bel Air, Humboldt, West University Place, Katy, Richmond, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Wharton, Southern Liberty, Jersey Village, and Dayton. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for southeastern Texas.